Hello, my esteemed customer. Nice to meet you again. Today we want to show our carbide drills. More and more customers require the carbide drills. So now today I just have a video for the drills. Please have a look at this. This is the sizes from the 1.1 to the 20 millimeter. So we have different sizes for the carbide drills. We have 3 times and also the 5 times. In front of you, this is all for the 5 times because this customer need all sizes. Please have a look at this. For example, this smaller one is the 3 millimeter. This one is the 3.3 millimeter. This one is 2.2 millimeter. Different sizes. This was 5.5. So you can see all different sizes. This is the bigger one. Please have a look. This is 9.5. And also we have more big like 10 and 10.5 and 11.5 and also the 20 and 25. So it all depends on your requirements. If you're also looking for the carbide drills, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.